Hi, I'm just going to demonstrate this. 2 seconds, just clear this. I'm going to be demonstrating this Ruby lint that I built. I actually shot a video before, but it was a bit long, so I'm going to try and speed things up and actually make it like interesting to whoever's watching this. But basically, either if you're in your terminal or if you're in REPL, obviously you can run the run button, which will run the same command. But if you're in the root cd into the root directory of this project, you can in your terminal open up the program by just running bin-main.rb, and then this will run the program. So to use this linter, it will only work with .rb files. You can't run .py, but or like any other type of file or files which aren't in the directory. I'll cover that later on. But we will just run the first file in the directory as an example. So if you read this code, you can see that there's errors in this file, and it will actually display all of these errors. So you can like work out what's wrong with it. The README will explain more. This is just a quick introduction video to the project. So we can actually we'll run another file for another example. This file has some different types of errors, but you can see that they're two different files which have just been scanned. We'll scan a file without any errors, just to show you that if there's no errors, it will actually say no errors found inside of the file that we said. The final functionality of it is that you can actually scan and run all .rb files within the directory. So it doesn't matter if you have like different like files within the directory it's searching, it's only going to pick out the .rb files and then display it, and display all of the files. So you can see test.rb, test2.rb, and test3.rb are all the files in that directory, which are .rb files. You can have like any other type of file in there, it's only going to scan the .rb files. Okay, and let's just clear this, make this neat, and run it again. So say if I want to try and break it, so like I said before, you can't run like any other file which isn't a .rb file. So if I do like a test.py, it's actually going to return that this is not a Ruby file. It does not end with .rb, so you can only run Ruby files with this. Let's try and type in a file which is a .rb file but doesn't actually exist in the directory. It's actually going to say unable to open the file. Please ensure the specified path is correct. So yeah, this is the entire program. If you want to play around with it, you can just clone the repository and just have a play around with it. I hope you enjoyed the project.